Don't buy any more bread. It doesn't go in the oven and it's incredible delicious. In a container, start by sifting 300 grams of wet flour, 5 grams dry yeast for bread, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 pinch of salt. Now mix it all up. After mixing, add 180 ml to 200 ml of water. Gradually add it. After adding all the water, start mixing with your hands. And this mixture will turn into a very consistent dough. This is the ideal point. Add some flour to the table to start sum up the dough. The ideal point is how much the dough is already so very smooth. Return with the dough to the container and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spread well with your hands. Cover the container and leave to rest for 1 hour. After that time, return the dough to the table and serve a little more. So it's good. Now cover the dough again and leave it to the rest for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, just take the dough, but before in a frying pan, add olive oil to grease and with the help of a brush, spread through the frying pan. Add all the dough, fix in the pan. And now cover and leave it for 15 minutes over low heat. After 15 minutes, uncover the pan and turn the dough. Look how beautiful it is. Now just cover again and leave it for another 10 minutes and our bread is ready. It's amazing. It doesn't go in the oven, it's delicious. A super economical bread with few ingredients and very easy to make. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks